Hi, I won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Okay, today I wanted to show you and record something so I would remember it too. How to go live in a Facebook group. Who am I? I am sister underscore Sue. That's SU. S as in Savior, not F like fire truck. See the little Canadian flag down there in the corner? Click that, click the bell as well, and tell all your friends. And you like what you see, and if you don't like it, please tell me. Anyway, this is what I'm doing today. I'm in a group called the 5-Day Free on Purpose with Purpose Challenge. Oops. And what I wanted to show you is a lot of Facebook groups are asking you to go live, and they're going, how do I go live? This was a puzzle to me too, because I'm going, okay, well maybe I click this, but it says I create a room. And that's not quite, I don't think that's quite right. And then I happen to click here. It says, what's on your mind? And there, so you can write something and add to your post. So you can write something and then add to your post. And I thought, well, maybe it's this one. And again, it says create room. Now, I saw the red one. I thought, well, maybe I'm not supposed to do that. But when I moused over it, look what's there, live video. So this is, hopefully this will take you with me, and you will see what happens when you go in here. So here we are. When you click live video, this is where you go. And you use camera. My camera is not working. I have no idea why it is not working. But this is what I do. I'm sure you probably know how to do this better than me. And maybe you have a video that other people can see. Put a link in the comments below. You just click on here, go live. Now, it says you can add a title. When I try to add a title, this is what happens. I click add title and nothing. It just takes you back. It's like, okay. So right up till today, I still have not been able to figure out how to add a title to that. So all I do is I click live, and then I click go live. Add a title. And you can't put it there. Click go live, and then it gives you a little countdown, and then you are live. So this is how it goes if you are doing a Facebook Live. Anyway, I will post this up on YouTube in case you would like to be able to do a live on Facebook Live too. As you can see, you cannot see me. Anyway, I hope you have a good day. Remember to pray because things do change that way. God bless. And then you click end. Oh, it didn't end it. There it is. And then you can rate the quality of the broadcast. You can view your post. You can trim your video, create a clip from your video. But I'm just going to go because I showed up live in the free 5-day free on purpose with purpose challenge. And I better go take that down because I wonder what the heck I'm doing there. Anyway, remember to pray because things do change that way. I'll give it 5 out of 5, and I don't have to say anything.